Open internal circlip using circlip plier. Remove internal circlip. Remove dust cover. Remove compression spring. Fix PHGR firmly to the workbench using two bolts and nuts. Remove the pipe complete. Remove the copper gaskets. Discard removed gaskets. Remove both unions. Remove 3 numbers slotted chase head screws. Remove screw plug complete and discard. Remove special screw along with gasket and valve spring. Discard the gasket. Remove special screw along with gasket, valve spring. Discard the gasket. Remove 4 numbers of hex socket head cap screw. Remove 4 fixing screws and tilt the pump for removing other 4 screws. Remove the side valve housing. Remove the control valve and spring. Remove the piston. Remove the piston by gently tapping on a soft surface. Discard all the released split-type spring washer. Remove the valve housing and drain the oil in it. Remove both valve plates. Remove the O-ring and discard. Remove the middle piece by tapping by a soft mallet. Remove the O-ring and discard. Remove the O-ring and discard. Remove the both hex socket head cap screws and hex nut. Remove the piston complete by tapping gently using a wooden piece and a mallet. Take out the piston complete. Disconnect the pump from the desk. Remove the flange from the cylinder by gently tapping. Remove the O-ring and discard. Remove the O-ring and discard. Wrap the piston complete with cotton cloth and fit it to bench ways for removing cup seals. Remove the hex lock nut. Remove the cup seals and discard. Remove the spacer and remove the 2 cup seals and discard. Clean the parts using white superior kerosene oil. Blow the parts with compressed air. Now, let's start the assembling using the OEM kit. Prepare 8 hex socket head cap screws with required washers. Take cup seals and shims and assemble those with piston. Apply grease to cup seals before assembling. Tight the spacers with spanner. Piston complete is ready. Apply Teflon tape to 4 numbers of hex head cap screw. Take O-rings, apply grease and fix it to middle piece and flange. Take O-ring, apply grease and fix it on flange. Take O-ring, apply grease and fix it on flange. Take O-ring, apply grease and fix it on middle piece. Take O-ring, apply grease and fix it on flange. Take cup seals, apply grease and fit it on the piston complete. Wrap the piston complete and fit it on the benchways and tight the nut. Piston complete is ready. Take O-ring, apply grease and fix it on middle piece. Fix hex socket head cap screw and hex nut on the middle piece. Apply grease inside the side valve housing. Apply grease on the piston complete. Fit the piston complete inside the side valve housing and ensure its free movement. Fit the spring and the control valve inside the side valve housing after applying grease. Fix the middle piece on the side valve housing in the proper position. Fix the cylinder over the middle piece in correct direction after applying grease. Fix it firmly using hex socket head cap screw. Fix the piston complete inside the cylinder after applying grease. Fix the flange on the cylinder in the correct direction. Fix valve housing on the flange in the correct direction. Fix it firmly using the hex socket head cap screw, which was already applied with Teflon tape. Fix the pump to the desk firmly and tighten all the 8 hex socket head cap screws. Apply Teflon tape to screw plug complete and to special screws. Fit the screw plug complete with the gasket. Place the 2 gaskets on the special screws. Fix the both special screws along with valve spring and valve plate to the valve housing. Fix the 3 slotted cheese head screws and copper gasket to the cylinder. Apply Teflon tape to both unions. Fit the copper washer to the both unions. Use the special tools for removing the locking bolt complete. Remove the copper gasket and locking bolt complete and discard. Fit the new copper gasket and locking bolt complete using special tools. Fit both the unions on PHGR. Fix the pipe complete duly fitting required copper washers on the unions. Fix the piston, compression spring, dust cover and internal circlip using circlip plier after greasing. Let's test it. Connect PHGR with air input of 3.2 kg per square centimeter pressure and connect inlet and outlet of the pipeline to an oil reservoir. Turn on the air inlet valve and see the working of oil flow indicator.